I know I've been away from my wood channel for a while because I have been working on my music channel, and thanks to so many wonderful people out there giving us views, we're almost to 40,000 subscribers on that channel. So I had to work on that channel for a while, but because of that channel's success, we're fixing to build a little studio up here in the mountains. My big studio was in Covington, Georgia for the longest time, but I've really been living up here for about 5 years and going back in 2 when I'd have a project. But as I've gotten older, I've retired more, and now I want to build this little place up here just to do my YouTube videos and maybe record some new music and just basically do what I do for the rest of my time. But anyway, today, this is the 4th professional studio that I've built. I hesitate to call the first 2 professional, but they were the early stages of being able to have a project studio that could actually turn out a decent project. And of course today's project studios, really if you know what you're doing, you can get a sound just about as good as anything on the planet. But anyway, so we're going to start this project, and I'm going to document this as we go. And I hope you'll enjoy following us as we build this. It's going to be 24 feet by 16 feet. We're going to have a, I guess you'd call it a cathedral ceiling, and it'll go on up to about 12, no, yeah, oh, maybe 10 feet at its highest. And the edges will be about 8 feet. But anyway, you'll see it as it develops. All right, here we go. As you can see, we've had our materials delivered for the little studio in the mountains, and I'm starting to break it down. I've opened up they delivered it in plastic because it was raining the day they delivered it, so I just broke the plastic loose, and I'm starting to break it down and put all of that kind in a pile. That way I won't spend half of my life digging through that lumber over there trying to find the right length. But we've begun that, so let's continue that. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't this a wonderful place for a studio? Oh, thank you, Lord. Oh my gosh. You'll have coffee every morning and have to go to work there. Oh my goodness.